right, so that's a very, very interesting question, because legal is an interesting thing. So on Amazon, is it legal for me to copy a product and copy it into another marketplace? Well, strictly speaking, as far as Amazon is concerned, and we'll come to the broader thing in a second, that is okay. As far as Amazon's concerned, you read the terms of service, that's fine. In fact, you could argue Amazon encourages you to do that. However, now let's take the broader scope. Is it legal within the Australian law or wherever it may be to do that? Well, no, it's not legal to do it within that particular thing, because you've got copyright law, for instance, which is awarded to things like Amazon listings, that prevent you just blatantly copying them. Well, you can, but then you would get your listing taken down as soon as the owner of the product found out, which I'm sure they wouldn't always do, of course. So I don't want to give you dodgy advice here, but I also want you to know, here's the thing. So I was just on Amazon in Japan. Is it okay for me to get ideas for products to sell from Amazon.com and take those ideas and put them onto Amazon in Japan? Yes, it is, as long as I'm not copying word for word and I change the images into my own images. Now, I will tell you that most folks, you would not want to copy their images anyway, because they're crap. I have worked very, very closely with Mick Kelly from GoMibby, and Mick now uses my exact strategy for images on Amazon. He uses that for all of his clients' images, and they get incredible results. So there is a strategy for images that you want to use. So don't copy images. By all means, get ideas for things to do, but don't copy them. But you can and should look at other marketplaces for ideas of what to sell in Australia, for instance, because something that sells very, very well in America will most likely also sell well in Australia. So I hope that makes sense. Don't copy them for word, but by all means get ideas, and get ideas from the listings. So the top 5 listings, go and look at them all, see what they do well, see that they don't do well, and that's definitely a good thing for you to do. And then use Mick Kelly to do your images at GoMibby, because Mick's awesome. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.